Hi guys, in front of me is ULEFONE Note 13P, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, you have to open a new message or any other area where you can input some text. And just take a look at the current keyboard. Then to change it, you need to tap on settings icon, click on languages and select add keyboard. Now pick the one that you would like to apply, it's up to you. As you can see, the list is super long, super wide, so you'll definitely find something suitable. Okay, so here's the end. Now just pick the language that you want to apply, click on done, and you can remove unnecessary language if you wish. Obviously you can use both of them and then switch between languages by tapping on space, but this is it, this is how you can change keyboard language. So that would be all, this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.